High blood pressure is a silent killer, meaning this is something any one of us can have, but few know how to recognize. High blood pressure is one of those health conditions responsible for accelerating the appearance of heart disease, poor circulation, stroke, kidney failure, and even death if you do not recognize it before it's too late. Now, how can you know if you have or not high blood pressure? What are the symptoms and how can you treat it naturally? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 high blood pressure symptoms you may have today and how to recognize them in your body and how to reverse it before it's too late. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel as a conventional doctor to my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of point quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share some tips and video links related to this topic. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common condition in which long-term force of your blood against artery walls is high enough to actually make some damage. This is high blood pressure. It may not sound important, but it literally destroys your inner organs if you are not careful. High blood pressure can destroy circulation, kidney health, brain irrigation and circulation, and more. This means that learning how to recognize it could save your life. Now, to some watching this video, learning about high blood pressure might be just the most important thing you will do today. Believe it or not, it can be life-changing. So in today's video, I'm revealing 5 high blood pressure symptoms you may have right now and you need to recognize in your body before it's too late. Number 1, headaches. You have to keep in mind that high blood pressure is famous for being a silent killer. This means that symptoms might not appear in your body, but you still have that condition. A headache, for example, is one that can mimic something else. Literally anything in this world is known for causing a headache. Something you ate, maybe a perfume you're smelling, something maybe you didn't eat enough, or I don't know, your sugar is too high. Now, the difference is that headaches triggered by high blood pressure typically cause a pulsing sensation that's felt all over the head rather than just one side. If you feel it this way, you have to consider high blood pressure, and you have to advise someone that you might know with those symptoms to get themselves checked. Now, if you are suffering from this type of headache frequently, something you could do to reduce high blood pressure is start exercising. Exercise is proving time and time again to be very effective at keeping high blood pressure at bay and keeping you healthy as well. The best type of exercise with respect to this condition is cardiac exercise. Walking, jogging, running, swimming, any of these will help. If you need something natural that can help you reduce high blood pressure and make sure at the same time your heart stays healthy, look for Heart Excel and On Cardio from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, nosebleeds. High blood pressure is exactly what its name implies. High pressure of blood within the arteries. That's it. Now, this is important to understand because once you have a good idea how it works, you start to understand why nosebleeds can appear. The elevated pressure of circulating blood can obviously put a strain on small vessels, not just your nose, and make them bleed. They can rupture. This can cause a problem. Now, at first glance, you might not think this is important, but think about it. It's very, very important because if it happens somewhere else, not just your nose, then things can get messy. It can happen in your kidneys, it can happen in your brain, it can happen anywhere in the body. And that's not fun, even your eyes, and you can actually go blind because of high blood pressure. Now, my suggestion to you is the following. Get a hold of blood pressure cuffs and measure yourself frequently. If you use this small machine, there's no room for error, and you can actually see how much pressure you have within your system. Now, in case you do have high blood pressure, which you probably have, you have to change your diet. Lots of fruit and vegetables is one thing you can do because research has always seen that those with a healthier diet have a better control of blood pressure. No mystery. If you need something natural that contains more than 50 fruits and vegetables, and on top of that, every vitamin, mineral, probiotic, and enzyme that you can take every single day as a juicing shot every morning, look for Green Shot and Multivitamin from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, chest pain. One of the things that high blood pressure does is make arteries less elastic. Think about it. Your blood is continuously stretching the walls of your arteries to their maximum potential, and there's no room for relaxation. That's a problem. You need to be aware that high blood pressure can damage your arteries by making them less elastic, which then means it decreases the flow of blood and oxygen to the heart and leads to heart disease. If this happens, then decreased blood flow to the heart can cause chest pain, also known as angina. Not a good symptom, if you ask me. Now, as a matter of fact, chest pain can later on be potentially becoming a symptom of poor blood flow in the heart. You can have a heart attack if you're not careful. Later down the road, things can get really messy. So you need to be careful now and start doing something about it. Now, by the way, there are foods, diet, natural remedies, things you can do to help. Garlic can help. Peppermint juice can help, magnesium can help. These are all very effective and you can use them continuously. If you need a good quality supplement that contains some of the best ingredients to fight off high blood pressure, look for Heart Excel and On Cardio from Fineland at drlandivar.com. By the way, On Cardio contains more than 20 ingredients designed to keep that circulation going, healthy, and well functioning. Number 4, vision problems. It's very, very important to understand that high blood pressure makes circulation less available to certain areas of the body, and it damages it. These areas or organs that might end up having problems when it comes to normal functioning. With high blood pressure, your eyes are in danger, and they're in danger because high blood pressure has, the longer you have it, the more severe the rupture of small vessels in your eyes can be. Blood vessels can rupture and the retina can get damaged without return. Not a happy ending to any of that. Some of the symptoms you might see are double vision, dim vision, headaches, maybe visual disturbances, and sometimes even vision loss. So make sure you take that into consideration. Consider that high blood pressure can get you blind if you're not careful. If you need something natural and effective for this purpose with more than 10 scientific-based and effective natural ingredients to restore eye health and vision, look for Visofar from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, neck or back pain. High blood pressure can be noted by various symptoms. Some of them you already know, I've just told you about them, but others are quite silent. Something you might think is something else, but it's actually high blood pressure. Another way you need to know about is neck ache or back pain, two which apparently have nothing to do with blood pressure, but believe me, they do. If you feel neck pain, especially when you're waking up in the morning, it might be high blood pressure. If you feel back pain, it might not be stress, might be something to do with high blood pressure. Take care of your kidneys, take care of your eyes, make sure you treat it. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos where they're stopping information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.